welcome back to channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akriti.
And I'm Shaurya.
And what are we doing today?
Today we're going to do a challenge, and the challenge is that we're going to give each other some different kind of looks. So yeah, let's get started.
So we thought of doing something really different this time, and we're going to change each other's look a little. And I always wanted to try this something really cute because she has a very tiny cute face, and I wanted to do something really cute on her, and I'm going to try that. What are you going to do?
So because Akriti is entirely edgy, sporty, and she still loves a hint of pink, so I thought of doing something totally different and crazy. I really hope that she likes it, and also because so many of you keep asking her that how she curls her hair, so I'm also going to curl her hair. So yeah, let's get started. So because I'm going to give her some curls, I'm going to be using the BBlunt's High Definition Curl. Now this is something that will hold her curls for a really long time and also get rid of the frizziness that she might have. Also, this would lock in some moisture and shine into her hair and protect it from damage. So yeah, just take a few pumps of it, massage it, and
Put it on your damp hair.
yeah, I don't know if you can see, her hair is a little damp, and this needs to go from the middle ends to the ends. So it smells nice.
Yeah.
So once you're done with using the leave-in cream, I plan to curl her hair, but because she's a pro at it herself and you guys want to know how she does it, so I think you should do it yourself.
Okay, so I'm gonna take my curler and just take a few sections of my hair, part by part, and just start rolling them like that. If you take like a thinner wand, then you're going to get like closer curls, and if you're going to take like a broad wand, then you're going to get curls like these. And if you take too much hair, then this is what's going to happen. You're not going to get the curls. So in one of the videos, all of you guys were asking how did I curl my hair, and I had like a lot of curls in that video. It was because I took like very tiny sections of my hair and I took a thinner wand to get close curls. Okay, so I'm done. Works for you now, madam?
Okay, now this is how she usually looks, but I am planning to change her entire look within seconds. I am going to give it a pink twist. Now I got the BBlunt's One Night Stand Temporary Color. This is something which is going to add some pink color onto her hair, and just in case if she doesn't want it for long, she can just wash it off whenever she wants. And yeah, I also got a copper one, but I'm going to give you a pink instead, so you don't have an option. So firstly, we need a towel. So I'm actually asking her to wrap this around her so that it doesn't stain her clothes, the color doesn't stain her clothes. And I have like this glove sort of a thing so that I don't spray my hands pink. Okay. So basically what we have to do is spray it from a distance of 6 inches, and if you want more color, more intensity, then you can repeat it. So I'm going to try it once and then see how it works. Okay, so I am done, and I really like how her hair turned out. Do you want to see it for yourself?
I do. I just can't wait to see it. I don't know what you've been doing to my hair.
Okay, go see it.
Okay, bye. I think it's really crazy. First, when she said that I'm gonna put pink on you, I was so scared. कि पता नहीं मेरी शक्ल का क्या करेगी. But this is looking really nice and it's like very smooth and it just sits on your hair really well. It's not standing out too much. It's just perfectly blending in your hair.
And it dries in seconds.
Yeah, it dries in seconds. I was like, itna sara like she's putting on my hair if I have to wait. But it's like an instant thing. So you can just put it on and just go out and I think I'm ready to party. Okay, so do you want to finish the look?
Yes. So to finish up the entire look, I'm going to be using the BBlunt Spotlight Hair Polish. Now I'm going to focus this all over her hair so that she gets like a little shine and a little glow to her hair. Look, that's it. So same, I'm going to spray it from a distance of about 6 inches all around her hair. There you go.
Okay, so I like what she did to my hair. I love the look. And now this is gonna be a fairly simple one so that you girls can also try this at home anytime and go out. And if you have like a chittu sa face like her, it's gonna look like super cute on you. So I'm gonna just give her a high ponytail, make a cute little bun, support it with something, and then just give her a cute bow on the top. So you guys wanted to see her in tied hair and us in different hairstyles, so there you go. So since Madam just came back from Mumbai last night and she hasn't got time to wash her hair, so we're going to use BBlunt's Back to Life Dry Shampoo on her hair, and I'm just gonna spray it on her crown from a distance of 6 inches again. And what this is going to do is it's gonna absorb all the extra grease from her scalp and it's gonna give her a fresh look in just seconds. I'm just gonna take my hands and massage it a little. Okay, so since I want to make a bun, how about you tie a ponytail and then we'll get started?
Okay. Do you want a high one?
It's supposed to be pretty high. Okay, that looks great. So since she has like thin hair and I want her hairstyle to stand for a long time and give it a good shape, I'm gonna use this big scrunchie. You can like get this anywhere and put it over her ponytail, take it through it like that. And now I am going to spread her hair all over to cover that up. And then I'm going to take another rubber band and put it over this.
I look like a pumpkin.
Wait. Now whatever these extra funny hair she's got, I'm going to take that hair and just go in one direction and wrap it around. I'm gonna take this cute little bow, which I have, I don't know, I think I bought this in college or something. And put it right here. It's a really strong one, so it like holds a lot of your hair. How does it look? It looks really cute on you. So what you can do is maybe you can make this a little messy and just pull out a little bit of hair. Okay, so this is like an everyday cute look and I'm gonna finish it off again by using BBlunt Spotlight Hair Polish for instant shine so that even her hair look nice and shiny throughout whenever she's wearing this hairdo. And let's just take this and shake it a little and put it on her hair. Okay. Done! So this is how our looks turn out, and it's always great to try new looks and it changes your personality and it gives you more confidence and it lifts up your mood. So I think I'm really loving this.
I always want to try it. It's nice. Okay, so all of these products that we used are from BBlunt. We'll leave the links to all of these products in the description box just in case you want to purchase them. And we really hope that you like our video and do let us know who won this challenge. We'd love to know that. And
And I think I'm gonna vote for you. I really like this.
And please don't forget to like and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things.
Bye guys!